Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through setting up Payments AI for ClickFunnels. As of 2026, ClickFunnels integrates AI to enhance payment processing through automation, security, and user experience. This means better fraud detection, personalized payment options, and streamlined checkout processes, all within your ClickFunnels account. We'll specifically focus on gateway integration to make your funnels convert even better. Payments AI uses artificial intelligence in payment processing to boost automation, security, and user experience. AI-powered payment processing that enhances automation, security, and user experience. AI-driven fraud detection analyzes transaction patterns, slashing false positives by 30 to 50%. Personalization tailors payment options based on user behavior. Gateway integration connects ClickFunnels to payment processors using APIs and webhooks. Security protocols encrypt data and detect anomalies to comply with PCI DSS standards. It's not just about taking payments, it's about optimizing the entire payment flow. ClickFunnels integrates with multiple AI-powered payment gateways to enhance your payment processing. Here you can see the key payment gateways available, including Stripe, PayPal, and others that support AI features. Stripe offers powerful AI through its radar system, which uses machine learning to detect and prevent fraudulent transactions while minimizing false positives. PayPal integrates AI extensions for real-time fraud detection and customized payment experiences based on user behavior. Adyen is an AI-native gateway that provides comprehensive payment solutions with automated optimization for conversion rates and risk management. Checkout.com combines speed and security with AI-powered fraud detection and payment processing optimization. When choosing a gateway, consider transaction fees, supported currencies, and how well the AI features match your specific business requirements. Once integrated, monitor your gateway's performance through detailed analytics dashboards that show revenue, captures, and AI-driven insights. Select a payment gateway that offers the AI features most aligned with your business objectives for optimal results. First, log into your ClickFunnels account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard and look for the Integrations tab in the top navigation menu. Within the Integrations tab, click on Payment Gateways to see the available options. Choose an AI-supported gateway like Stripe, which offers advanced fraud detection and personalization features. Next, link your API keys from the selected gateway. You'll need to enter your publishable and secret keys in the designated fields within ClickFunnels. This secure connection enables the gateway to process payments through your funnels. After linking the keys, enable the AI features provided by the gateway. For example, turn on fraud detection and set up rules to identify high-risk transactions, such as those from new locations or exceeding certain amounts. Finally, test the entire setup in a sandbox or development mode. Perform mock transactions to verify that payments process correctly, AI features trigger as expected, and no errors occur before activating the live integration. Once your payment gateway is connected, you can configure AI features within ClickFunnels. Start by setting rules for fraud detection. This involves defining criteria like flagging transactions from specific countries or those exceeding a certain amount. Next, customize your payment flows based on user behavior. ClickFunnels allows you to adapt payment options dynamically, creating personalized experiences that improve conversion rates. For example, you can offer installment plans through Klarna for high-value purchases. This makes expensive items more affordable, encouraging customers to complete their transactions without feeling overwhelmed. Finally, use ClickFunnels' no-code AI builder to tailor these payment flows to your business needs. This intuitive tool allows you to customize features without requiring programming skills, making advanced AI accessible to everyone. Once Payments AI is set up, monitoring performance is crucial to ensure optimal results. Start by tracking key performance indicators that measure payment success. Authorization rates should exceed 95%, while keeping decline rates below 5%. Use ClickFunnels Dashboard Analytics for real-time monitoring of these and other metrics. The dashboard helps identify areas for improvement, such as payment flow bottlenecks or AI feature effectiveness. Regular review of these analytics ensures your setup remains optimized. Implement A/B testing of different payment configurations to optimize conversion rates. Test various gateway settings, AI personalization options, and user experience flows. Consistent monitoring and optimization of your AI-powered payment system will maximize performance, reduce costs, and improve customer satisfaction. During setup, you might encounter some challenges. First, be aware of API rate limits on free plans, which can restrict the number of AI queries you can make. Consider upgrading to a premium tier for unlimited access to these features. Second, double-check your API keys for accuracy. These keys authenticate your connection to the payment gateway, and any errors here can prevent proper integration and cause authentication issues. Third, ensure webhooks are correctly configured. Webhooks allow real-time communication between your gateway and ClickFunnels, handling events like successful payments or failures. If you experience any issues, consult the documentation for both ClickFunnels and your chosen payment gateway. Often, problems can be resolved by carefully reviewing all your settings and configurations. The future of payments AI in ClickFunnels is bright and full of innovation. Let's explore the key trends shaping the landscape. First, expect a shift towards AI-first gateways. Platforms like Stripe Atlas and PayPal's AI tools are leading the way, with 60% of transactions now being AI processed according to recent forecasts. Next, blockchain and crypto integration is growing rapidly. With Web3 gateways, AI optimizes crypto payments, expected to grow 200% by 2028. AI will also focus on sustainability, tracking emissions from transactions to enable carbon-neutral payments. By 2030, anticipate fully autonomous payment funnels where AI predicts and executes upsells without any human intervention. Staying ahead of these trends will give you a competitive edge in the e-commerce landscape. Get ready for this exciting future.